Hey everyone, this is Miss Herring. I wanted to take a second to do a short video for you this morning to talk about your grade book. You may have noticed that Moodle was updated over Christmas, and the way that you view your grade book this semester is going to be a little bit different than how you have viewed it in the past. So I wanted to hop on and show you exactly what you're going to do in order to view your grade book with your entire set of grades and feedback, which is very important. Not necessarily for quizzes, but when you do writing assignments, I always get feedback, and in order for you to view that feedback, you're going to be able to get into your grade book to do that. So if you're looking on your screen right now, you're going to notice that we're in ED 145, regardless of what course you're taking or course that you're in. You are going to see these three lines above the course number. So you see here where it says ED 145, and then these three lines up here. When you click on those lines, it's going to open a navigation tool for you. When you get on this navigation tool, just scroll down to where it says grades. You'll click on those grades, and you'll be able to see everything. In semesters past, that has always been located right over here on the left hand of your screen, and it is no longer like that. You see grades on mine because I have an instructor's view, but on your student Moodle, you don't have that any longer. So just real quick again, to view your grades and your feedback, you're going to click on these three bars to the left. You're going to open up your navigation tool and then go down to where it says grades. And again, mine is a little bit different than what yours will look like, but if you just keep scrolling, you'll see grades. Click on it, and that's where all of your information will be. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please shoot me an email, come by my office to see me, or give me a phone call. Also, speaking of phone calls, you notice that we now have direct numbers at SCC, so each of the faculty members here and staff members have a unique phone number to their office. I sent that out to you in an announcement maybe a week or so ago. It should be an announcement, so if you click right here on the announcement tab, you have that new number, so if you need to contact me directly, that's how you will do that. So, hope you guys are having a great week and a great start to this semester, the spring 2018 semester. If you need anything, let me know. Have a great day.